Yeah, don't go to that route. Anyway, so Wednesday night, 2014 limited 5 box break. I only had 5 boxes left. Might as well give it a shot. 11:30 Eastern Standard Time. Here's SP13. He's going after some kind of Andy Luck, or you just need to switch up your preferences, player. Either way, do what you do. There's SP13, E. Andis, SM Kelly, Capty, Brock, Clay, Adam M, Robin C, Alex, Barb. There you go, buddy. Who else we got? Jamie R swinging in. J Mac, DC. There's John Brew. I like it. John Brew getting weird. All right, let's see what we got. 5 boxes, limited. Can we kick off the weirdness right now? All right, so you got EJ Manuel, 5 out of 25. Julian Edelman, 135 out of 399. Cecil, shorts out of 399. Then you got a Telvin Smith, 5 out of 25. And then you got a limited partnerships triple, Tony Romo, DeMarco Murray, and Des Bryant, 17 out of 75. So going to Dallas, he's got Adam M. There you go, AM Cowboys. Then you got a short print, there we go. LC Greenwood, 1 out of 5. Legend, LC, going to DC. Go and get yourself something there, player. So 1 out of 5, LC Greenwood. All right, already getting a little weird, right? Okay. Next, you got Nasty Nick, 39 out of 49. Jake Locker out of I don't want to play anymore. Jake Locker out of 399. Pierre Thomas out of 399. Then a Dwight Jones, what is that? 32 out of 35. Dwight Jones. Charlie Murphy. No, Charlie Sims, yeah. 19 out of 25 going to Tampa Bay. That'll be Alex Barb, 08. There you go, buddy. Then a limited partnerships, Johnny Manziel and Terrence West, 64 out of 99. Going to Cleveland. Jamie R. All right, next box. All right, RG3, 1 out of 25, going to Washington. Torrey Smith out of 399. Edward Lacey out of 399, going to Green Bay. Michael Campanerio, that's 20 out of 25, going to Baltimore. So Capty Brock, there you go, buddy. Then a limited quad partnerships, 2 out of 50, EJ Manuel, Sammy Watkins, CJ Spiller, and Freddie Jackson. EJ, CJ, FJ. Wait, okay. And then a short print Rajon Neal, 14 out of 49, going back to Green Bay, SP13. There you go, buddy. All right, last 2 boxes here. Gotta turn up that heat. All right, here we go. A little bit thicker pack. All right, Tannehill at $3.99. Rodgers, $3.99. Oh, okay. What did I tell you guys? Did I happen to tell you guys? take an ODB all day long. Rookie Phenoms level 1 silver. Odell Beckham. That's going to E. Andis with those Giants. There you go, brother. ODB. Go and get yourself some there, player. I done told you guys. Oh, I thought it was going to be autoed for us back-to-back. Jerry Rice, 11 out of 99. And that's going to San Fran. E. Andis, back-to-back hits. Go on, get yourself. Come on. Then you got a Chris Smith going to the Jags, 3 out of 10. So SM Kelly, 3 out of 10. Then a Tom Fred Savage and Jadeveon Clowney, 37 out of 99. Going to Houston. That's JHN, 1371. There you go, bro. So last box, but hey, listen, what did I tell you? I done told you guys, don't pull out something weird in an ODB. Let's see if we can end it off real weird, though. All right? Appreciate you guys hanging out tonight. Like I said, tomorrow, I'm thinking just maybe some Willy Wonka action tomorrow. If y'all don't know about it, you should know by now. We pull unbelievably weird stuff out of there. So here's Matt Forte, 96, $3.99. Arian Foster at a $3.99. Then a nice Cody Latimer, 15 out of 49. Going to Denver, so SP, 13. There you go, bub. David Fales, 32 out of 99. Going to Chicago. And then Giovanni Bernard, 16 out of 99, going to Cincinnati. But a nice ODB, well, it will be nice whenever it comes back. Some short print stuff. Guys,